This tutorial review will show you how to recover deleted photos, contacts, and other files from iCloud. When you delete a photo or video from Photos on iCloud.com, it's also deleted from all your devices that have iCloud Photos turned on. If you change your mind, you have 30 days to recover it before it's permanently deleted. So to recover your photos or files from iCloud, you have to open iCloud.com on your computer or tablet and then log in into your Apple ID and click on Photos. And I'm gonna delete this photo to show you how you can recover it. So as you can see, the photo has been successfully deleted. So once you opened your iCloud, you have to go to Photos and then click on Recently Deleted. And here you will get your recently deleted photos. And to recover, just select the photo you want to recover and click on Recover. And the photo will be restored to library, as you can see. And to recover contacts, bookmarks, calendars, files, you have to open iCloud homepage and then scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you will get this data recovery option. So click on it. From here you can recover your files, bookmarks, contacts, and calendars. And remember one thing, recover files deleted from both iCloud Drive and other apps within the last 30 days. Or restore an earlier version of your calendar, contacts, or Safari bookmarks and reading list. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.